ClubExpress membership cards. ClubExpress provides an optional feature that allows members to download a digital membership card. The downloaded file can be displayed on a mobile device, and members can print their card at any time. The card is often used by people as a way of identifying them as a club member when checking in for events, or perhaps to receive discounts at local merchants. The card can have any design the club wants and can include many fields from the database, including, for example, the member's name, spouse's name, the member number, either as text or as a barcode, the member type, and the date the member joined or the date the membership will expire. There's a one-time fee of $400 to implement membership cards for your website. Before we discuss how to request adding membership cards to your site, let's see how a member can download their own card. We're already logged into one of our demo clubs as a regular member. To download the card, we go to the member name and click on Profile. When she clicks on Download Membership Card, a card will be dynamically customized and downloaded. The file can be printed on a local color printer, or the JPEG graphic file can be loaded onto a smartphone for display. Now that she's downloaded the file, let's go over a few ways to print the card on both Windows and Mac computers. For Windows, there are two popular ways of printing. You can click the downloaded file in the browser to view it in the photo viewer. Then click the print icon. Select the printer and the number of prints to make. Change the photo size to 2x3 wallet. And then scroll down. And change the fit to shrink to fit. Then click print, and it will print one card per sheet according to the number of prints you specified. Another way is when in the File Explorer, right-click on the file and choose Print. In the Print Pictures dialog box, select your printer, then scroll down on the right column and click on Wallet. Make sure that Fit Picture to Frame is not selected. Then select the number of copies you want to print. Unlike the previous method, this will let you print up to 9 copies per page. Then click Print to complete the task. On a Mac computer, after downloading, double-click the file to open the photo viewer, then select Print. When in the Print dialog, change the orientation to Landscape, and then select the Scale option instead of the default Scale to Fit, and set it to 24%, then click Print. So how does a club administrator request installing membership cards onto a site? To get started, contact our support team and let them know that you want to add membership cards to your site. Then, you need to supply 2 JPEG graphic files. The first is a blank membership card graphic that will install in the system. This file is used for the background of the card and should have any graphic design elements, for example, the club logo and colors, that should display on every card. Note that the blank graphic might actually include some static text, for example, the web address of the club, and also note that if you request a barcode for the member number, and that's useful for clubs that scan the card at events, be sure to leave a clear area behind the barcode to make the code easier to scan. The second graphic that you submit has the same background, but with some dummy data filled in. This tells us what data should go where and indicates the font, size, and other layout items. Typically, these fields are selected from the member's contact information and/or from the additional member data. Note that each graphic file should be 1012 pixels by 638 pixels, which is typical credit card size at 300 pixels per inch. Note that your design can use full color right up to the edges. There's no need to include a border. And if the design uses any custom fonts, we'll also need the TrueType font files so we can install them on our Windows-based servers. Then we need just a little more information. When you request membership cards, we need to know if cards should be enabled for secondary and tertiary members belonging to your membership. Some clubs use secondary memberships for spouses, while others simply list the spouse information as part of the primary membership. If this is the case, let us know if spouse cards should be enabled. If your organization offers business memberships, membership cards for those members can show the business name above the member name, And also, the name for the download file defaults to the club's public name as set in the control panel, followed by _card. But you can request a more descriptive file name. After submitting your blank graphic and sample data graphic, our team will process your request and send you a sample card with the member data. Once the sample is approved, the cards are made available on the member's profile screen. So now you've seen how your members can download and print their membership cards, and how administrators can work with our support team to order and configure the cards. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.